Welcome to our Archineers Academy YouTube channel. Right now, I want to show you how to draw or redraw your survey plan into your Archicad in few minutes. Now, this is one of the easiest steps to reproduce your survey plan exactly without errors of any kind. Now, when the client gives you a design project to do, you have to know the dimensions of the land you are working with to be able to ensure that what you are designing, the building you are designing, is going to fit perfectly into that land as well as other things. Now on your screen, you can see the survey plan we are working on. And right now, I want to reproduce this survey plan on our Archicad, any version of Archicad, and we'll be using a tool called Cadimage. So this is Cadimage at the top of our Archicad software. Now, if you don't have this Cadimage, there's a link you are seeing. Kindly go and get yours. Kindly go and get yours. You can check in your description. You can get the link on how to get Cadimage of any version. We have it in our store as well as other tools, including Archicad external libraries, Atlantis, Enscape, Revit families, and many other tools. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to click on Cadimage. Then we'll go down to Site and Massing, Site plus Massings. Then we'll click on Survey Boundary Lines. We have survey boundary objects and we have survey boundary lines. We're going to click on survey boundary lines. We'll come again, go to that Cadimage. If you have purchased yours from us, just go to the Cadimage. If you are yet to get us, we have both the Cadimage tool for your version or your versions of Archicad, plus also an installation guide on how to put it into your Archicad. We'll show you and direct you how to put it into your Archicad. So after you place it into your Archicad, just click on Cadimage, click on Site plus Massing, then go to Survey Boundary Lines. Once you click on it, this box will show. Once you click on it, this particular box will show bearing and length. Now, bearing is the one with degrees and minutes, while length is the one with meters, as you can see on your screen from the survey plan. A survey plan has both bearing and length in dimensions. It gives dimensions in both the bearing of the boundary and the length of that boundary. Now, we're going to start with the left hand side of the plan, which is showing 41 degrees 38 minutes, and which is showing 46.66 meters. So we're going to, on that bearing, we're going to write 41.38, not 41 degrees 38 minutes. No, under the bearing, we're going to use 41.38. Once you click on the length, it changes that bearing now to degree. Then on length, remember, we're going to use millimeters instead of meters. It's going to be 46,680. So we are changing these meters that is written by the surveyor to from 46.68 meters to 46,608 meters. Then we'll click on add. You can see it has drawn for us the first line, and from our perspective, it's looking very accurate. It's following the same alignment and bearing as it is on the paper. Then we'll go to the next one. We change that bearing from 41.38 degrees to 131.09. Then we'll go to the next one from 46,680 to 21,290. So just add 0 to that distance meters, so 21,290. Then you click add. You can see it has drawn the upper side of the survey plan for us. Then we'll move over to the next one, which is the right hand side of the survey plan, which is showing 221 degrees 42 minutes. So we're going to change the 131 degrees 09 minutes to 221 degrees 0.42 minutes. Then we'll change the length from 21,290 to 47,490. Then we'll click on add. You can see it has drawn the next one for me, which is showing that we are accurate. Then we'll go to the last stage of the boundary, which is the down part, which is we're changing from 221.42 to 313.20. Then we're changing the length to from 47.49 to 21.25. So 21.25 in meters to millimeters will be 21.25.0. I will click on add. You can see it has drawn for us the exact boundary of the land. No errors. You can see what is on paper is what is in your Archicad. You can do this for any version of your Archicad. Just go and get the Cadimage 2. We have Cadimage 16 to even Cadimage 27. We are working on getting Cadimage 28, which will be ready this week. Click on the link on your screen and go and get the Archicad version of your CAD image. So once you do that, you can now click on finish. So after you're drawing your plan, you can now click finish. So right now we have successfully drawn the boundary of our land. So in this land is what we will now use to build or to design our building, so that we'll make sure that whatever we are designing is going to fit in perfectly in your design or in your land. And remember, your site plan is meant to be like this. You should not be your site plan is supposed to be like, after you're done designing, you impute your site plan into this land accurately, and it shows that you know what you are doing. So you can even work on your survey on this particular design. You can now change the color to a better colors, change it to a more to a land line. Use a land line like this. This is a land line, so you can change it, then do a lot of things. That is when you are doing your site plan. Now if you are going to design your building, you can even choose to duplicate this one, Ctrl Shift D, then Ctrl E, make it a bit straighten, Ctrl E, so you make it a bit straighten, so that you can easily design your building. So if you have any design, you can design it using these dimensions, and then at the end, after designing, you can now put it into your site plan for other things. So I hope you love this video, and if the video is helpful to you, remember, if you need CAD image, kindly click on the link on the description or type in the link you are seeing on your screen to get CAD image, as well as other wonderful tools, templates from Archineers Academy. Thank you.